cupboard that we're gonna have to buy back.
What?
In the cupboard,
Yeah.
it's just like things. Here.
Let me get your facts right, you're talking, because I know you have to like that.
Right. Oh God.
You should just throw that bag in the washer.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
Do you know you still have a backpack here? Look.
I do?
Jake, look.
You know, this one's a beast.
Okay.
It's just, it carries so freaking
I'm
much.
just showing it to you because you still even have stuff in it. Yeah. Oh, dang, you got diapers. Clean diapers. You got diapers. The diapers.
I like that Nike
Look,
bag.
look.
What's bothering you, Simon?
Yeah, but I don't want you in here. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I don't want you in here. Get out. Did you open the door? Oh,
What?
upstairs.
Yeah. I think you're gonna sleep a lot anyway. Alright. Miss Thing. These shirts are so thick. These shirts.
Go put it on. Put it on the shot, one shot. Eh? Shub up. Oh, yeah.